On the 13th of June 2021, a gas explosion took place at about 6:30 a.m. local time in Yanhu Community, Zhejiang Road Subdistrict, Zhangwang District, Shiyan, Hubei in a market, which collapsed. 25 people were killed and 138 others injured, according to CGTN. At 6:30 a.m. a gas line exploded near a vegetable market, killing 25 and injuring 138. 173 firefighters rescued 150 from buildings severely damaged by the blast. This article related to the history of China as a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it. This article about disaster management or a disaster is a stub. You can help Wikipedia by expanding it.